When I do a rolling restoration on these old Mercedes, there's a priority that I have, and I know some of you will laugh, but I have to fix the car enough that I'm not embarrassed to drive it, and I don't freak out when I get in and look at the interior. Now look at the driver's seat here. This is not inspiring. Now I'm going to be doing a lot of test driving on old Guppy here, but I don't want to every day get in the car and look at this. I know some of you are laughing. Hey, Kent, fix the mechanical, forget about that. Well, that's not the case with me, so I decided, how are you going to fix this? How am I going to find a match? I don't need to replace the back. I don't need a whole interior kit. In fact, if you look at the inside of this 2000 ML320, the interior is in excellent condition, except for this right here, and this here, and of course this here. So the whole driver's seat bottom has to be replaced. So, well, where are you going to find one of these? Well, in 2 weeks I found one. Here it is, direct from eBay. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So we've pulled the seat out. This has a nice cushion. We're going to take this apart and we're going to replace this. And when we get this reinstalled, then I'm going to be happy when I get in the car in the morning. Take a look at the seat now. You can imagine when I open the door, compared to what I was seeing earlier, I'm going to sit into this seat, and it will be so much more inspiring to drive this ML320 now. Now, if you move over to the right seat here, you can see I still have a little bit of a problem here. I'm not going to try to find a new cover. I'm going to experiment with some of the newer vinyl repair kits, and I think I can fix this. I'll come back in a later video and show you if I have any success.